Susan Shea. Good morning, Susan.
Good morning.
Susan, you're charged with speeding on Blackstone Boulevard. Were you on your way to work?
No, sir, I actually wasn't driving.
I was driving.
I wasn't the one driving. I have, that was on May 9th.
You were.
This is a copy of my divorce settlement. The court date was May 9th. I met with the attorney and my husband at the time. I signed the title over to him that morning. We went to court. On our way out of court, the last words I said to him was, please get that truck out of my name, which he did 1 week later. But 15 minutes from divorce court, he was on his way from court to work, and that's when that was.
He got one last thing to get even with you.
Yes, he did, and he
right?
did.
But I think what happened was...
He originally was going to come here with me today.
He was.
But his girlfriend wouldn't let him come, so that's why I'm here alone.
Let me see if I got this straight.
Okay.
You went to divorce court. The vehicle is under your name.
At that time.
At that time. You have a divorce. You walk out of the court. You say to him, listen, we just settled all of the issues. Get the vehicle out of my name.
Correct.
He doesn't do that. He's driving the vehicle. He goes through a speed zone. He's speeding.
Right.
And then you say, listen, I could have put your name down. Did you know that?
Well,
you didn't read it?
The ticket happened 15 minutes
I understand
out of divorce
that.
court.
All right. But it wasn't you, so you asked him, say, well, this is your responsibility.
Right.
He said, okay, as one last act of decency, I'll come to court with you.
Right.
And then his girlfriend said, forget those acts of decency.
Correct.
You're not going to court with her.
Right.
He didn't come here today.
Correct.
Go get the girlfriend.
I think she made the right choice.
I don't mean to make light of it. You
No,
seem like a
that's
very
okay.
decent person.
Thank you.
Trust me, I practiced law for a long time. I handled a lot of divorces. Rarely have I seen anyone, right, as pleasant as you after a divorce and after having some issues. So
I tried.
I'm sure you did. Based on the explanation, I'm going to make an exception. I'm going to dismiss it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I think you did everything you could.
I tried.
Right? I'm not going to add any more pain to this situation.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Florindez Rodriguez.
Good morning.
Good morning.
She needs an interpreter.
Okay. What is your name, please?
Florindez Rodriguez.
You going to interpret for him?
Yeah.
I'm interpret for her. She doesn't know English.
You are related? You're a sister?
No, she's my mom.
Oh, you look so young. Who's going to do the talking?
I'm going to do the talking.
Well, we have a problem here.
Yeah, big problem.
First of all, you have 3 different registration plates. Now, let me tell you what that means to me. That means to me you got a number of tickets, you didn't pay them, so you changed the registration plate. Then you got a number of tickets on that plate, so you changed it again, saying they'll never catch us. Is that what it means to you, Inspector Quinn?
Generally, that's what they do, Judge, yes.
Yeah.
And then when they rack up tickets on the second plate, they go for a 3rd registration.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened here.
She so it's 3 different cars. One is hers, then her husband, and then one is mine. Is all under her name.
It's going to cost her $300 for these tickets and a $100 boot fee. It's going to cost her a total of $400.
La bota.
Ok, pero yo quiero saber en cuánto me va a dejar todos los tickets para ver si yo puedo hacer el pago y pagarlo todo, si él me lo baja.
Okay, she's saying if you could maybe reduce it because she wants to pay it completely just to get over it.
Tell your mother, right, that the fine was $1,115. Tell her that. Talking to the mic so I can hear you. Tell her it was $1,115.
Era $1,000. But yeah, it was all my tickets because
Tell her it was 1,100, just
Okay.
sit down, Get the interpreter out. Take a seat. This is for Rendez Rodriguez. Right. Tell Ms. Rodriguez that her car has been booted, she knows that, and that the fines are $1,115.
Usted le pusieron la bota y todo hace $1,130.
So I'm charging her $450 total. Tell her that.
So, en total, eso lo va a bajar a $450.
So instead of 1,165, she's paying $450. Tell her
So,
that.
en vez de 1,165, eso lo está rebajando todo a 450.
So tell her that I think she's received enough of a break that I'm not reducing it anymore.
Y él dice que tú has recibido muchos chances ya, que este es el último que te va a dar.
Ok.
Does she understand that?
¿Entiendes?
Sí,
Yes.
pero que fue que yo le registré el carro a él para que fuera a la universidad y él le están dando muchos tickets. Yo no lo sabía que le estaban dando
Okay,
tickets.
déjame. So he registered the car for him so he could go to the university. And he's receiving a lot of tickets.
My sympathies are with her, but she had better straighten her son out and tell her the way that she solves that problem is to take the keys and let him take a bus.
Él tiene simpatía con usted, pero el problema es que usted, como debe resolverlo, es tomando las llaves y dejarlo que coja la guagua.
Okay.
Or she tells him to get a job and help pay for the tickets.
O decirle que se busque un trabajo
Okay.
y ayudarte a pagar los tickets.
Okay.
In addition to that, tell her that I wish her well.
Y que te desea lo mejor.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. Share these videos and weigh in on the cases. You be the judge. Subscribe now.